Hey guys, it's me again, Knowledge, or Josiah Keeble. So I'm just going to be playing Ranked and Raging, so I hope you have fun with that. So, gotta switch the packs. My favorite pack right now. I've been a little sick today. I've been sick. Okay. I've been kind of sick. I went to the doctor, yeah, all of that. So it's been really bad. But I'm kind of used to it because I feel good and not feel good, but I mostly feel good. Okay, that is just lag. I wish I could just be in full screen so I could just show you guys. That's what just happened. That's what happens if I put it in full screen. So yeah. I'm probably going to kill this guy? I don't know. But I've been accusated a lot. I don't know why. What the heck? I just took my TCAP, which I don't know if you know what a TCAP is. It's it's like the most important test, like in Tennessee, and my school has taken it. Well, there's 6 of them, so you have to do 6 of the same test, but not the same test, but like different tests that it's complicated. Dude, that's what happens. That's why I hate everything. I don't know how long this is gonna be a video for, but I'm gonna say it's gonna probably be like 5 minutes. If I can. I'm kind of slow because I just got back from school doing the test. I had to do it as series. Some people had to go to different areas for the test. I was one of them. And oh yeah, sorry guys for not uploading a lot. I had to do the TCAP review, a lot of TCAP reviews, and I just couldn't have the time to record a video. But yeah, I didn't have time to record videos for like weeks, so sorry about that, guys. Oh yeah, if you want me to do different games, like Dota 2, I have Dota 2. I have CS:GO. I have a lot of games. But if you want me to play different games, I could try that. It just depends on how much likes this video gets. Like the video. Save my soul. Okay, that's just dumb! I think this is probably going to be the last round. Oh yeah, I know a lot of people are going to say, do Fortnite. Yeah, I really want to do Fortnite. Like, I would quit Minecraft. I would quit Minecraft until I get Fortnite. It's just, I know you're like, well, Fortnite is free. Yeah, I know that. It's just, like, I haven't, on the computer that I'm recording right now, it's an 11-year-old computer. So, and plus, it's not, I can't download all the things everyone has downloaded. So that's pretty hard for a YouTuber to do. I could get a PlayStation or new computers. I probably will get a new computer until I can, because I don't have money, and I need money. No. He's gonna kill me. I know he is. I'm just gonna. Okay. I know I'm gonna get killed, so. Why not? Because he's so bad at this game. Okay. So guys, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next time. Peace. Peace. Please. One in the video. But yeah, you get my point. So yeah, see you guys. Bye.